also like
Hello, everyone. Can you hear hear my voice?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. And we already have 1 minute. And if someone want to try the sharing function, and you can try chat it.
Okay. Must I try now?
Yeah, okay.
Or
Yeah, you can test now.
okay. It's
Yeah,
working, right?
perfect. Good. Perfect.
Okay.
good.
Hi. Hello, guys.
Hi.
Hey,
Uh,
hi.
Hey, Jay.
Hi,
Hey.
Boris.
Hey, everyone.
All right, that's good. Hello, hello everyone. Just to give me maybe 2 minutes. I have some mistakes about the OBS training. So I need some time to do to fix it.
Okay, sure. Uh, I'm gonna share my screen. Just testing. Can you guys see my screen?
Uh,
Is it?
yeah.
Yes.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Okay. Thank.
My OBS has some problem now, so I need to maybe restart it. So give me just a 5 minutes. Thank you.
Sure.
Uh, Sorry guys, maybe I have some problems about my VPN, so I need to contact my colleague to streaming this live. So maybe also need to wait 5 minutes. Sorry guys.
It's okay.
Yeah, no problem.
I don't mind because I have OBS, so maybe if you give me the stream key, I can stream it. Actually, no, that won't work because you need to present. Never mind.
All right, Terry. We are ready now, so we can start now.
Okay. Um, Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good
Hello,
evening.
Terry. Can you
Yeah,
hear
yeah,
me?
yeah. Can you hear me?
Hello, Terry.
Hello,
Yeah, I'm can
Can
you
you hear
hear
me?
me?
yes, I can.
Yeah, we
Oh,
can hear you.
you can hear me or mouse?
Yeah. Okay, I can hear you. And
Oh,
we can start now. Yeah.
okay.
Thank you.
Hello everyone. Oh, shall I start? Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all crypto friends. I'm Cheryl. It's very exciting to host the crypto market insight session with our guests. So, since 2017, CoinW has continuously expanded the scope of its market. Beginning with Asia, CoinW has since expanded to Europe, Africa, Southeast Asia, and other regions of the world. CoinW now provides comprehensive crypto services to more than 9 million users from some 200 countries and regions around the world in 6 languages. CoinW is a leading crypto trading platform that prioritizes security, transparency, and user-centric principles. With advanced technology, deep liquidity, and a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, the company has amassed a broad user base to become one of the world's most secure crypto exchanges, committed to security, transparency, and compliance. CoinW exchange upholds the highest regulatory standards and activity contributes to the advancement of the crypto industry. For more information, please visit our official website and download our app. Today, we are very thrilled to have with us our guests who will be sharing their opinions on the market trends. As the host of today's discussion, I will be leading us through a thought-provoking conversation that promises to be both informative and engaging. So, whether you are an experienced crypto user or just getting started, we encourage you to sit back, relax, and join us for what is sure to be an enlightening discussion on this week's market performance, trends, and hotspots. The live session is broadcasting on CoinW Live channel and CoinW's YouTube channel simultaneously. Welcome all to watch and leave your opinions or questions about market, noise, etc. in the comment. Our guests will pick up some to answer. So let's go on. First, welcome Boris, Dylan, JayCryptoBeast, Catherine, and me, HCC. Welcome to our live session. And we're thrilled to have you here with us today. To help our audience get to know you better, could you take a moment to introduce yourselves and share a little bit about your background? And we are eager to hear about your experiences, so please feel free to share as much as you'd like. Who will be the first? Maybe Boris?
Sure. So hello everybody. Good to be here. My name is Boris. I've been a full-time crypto trader for almost 4 years now. Before starting becoming a crypto trader, I worked more in traditional finance. So I initially started out as an analyst at Bloomberg, and then I transitioned to working at an assets alternative assets firm called Preqin, which did research on hedge funds and private equity funds and like VC firms. And then after that, I started learning more about crypto and trading. And long story short, I transitioned over into becoming like a full-time crypto trader. And I've currently working with CoinW as a trader and analyst. I've been with the company since March. It's been a really cool experience, and yeah, I'm happy to be here with you all.
Thank you. Welcome. Dylan, would you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. Hi guys. Hope you get doing well. I'm Dylan. I've been with CoinW for around about a year, just over a year. I'm initially from South Africa, and I've been trading crypto for around about 3 years and Forex for 5 of those 3 years. And yeah, I transitioned to crypto in 2021 or 2020. and I initially started with Forex in 2018 in my matric year because I wanted to use Forex as some type of passive income, and I've always enjoyed trading. And after 2021, I actually started to become profitable. It took me quite a while, but overall, I've been with CoinW for 1 year and I've been loving it.
Okay, great. Thanks for sharing. Next, we welcome JayCryptoBeast.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, yeah, my name is Jay, and I'm from Jakarta, Indonesia, and I've been trading for over a decade, and I'm start same like Boris and Dylan. I'm start from Forex and Indonesian stock market, and I know crypto around, I think, the first halving at the end of the first halving, so I don't know, it's almost a decade. And yeah, it's quite a roller coaster. Like I at first I go big and then lose it all, and then I got back until now and survive. And yeah, so yeah, I'm picking crypto right now, and I've been working with CoinW, I think, for maybe 6 months. I think, yeah, it's around 6 months, and yeah, I've been enjoying it, doing the live and my solo live on CoinW. So yeah, thank you guys.
Thank you, Jay. Catherine?
Yeah, hi everyone. Glad to be here with you. I'm Catherine from ConW Cards. I'm in crypto industry for 3 years and I've been trading crypto for about 1 year, and I'm very happy to share you something and know you all. Thanks.
Thank you, Catherine. Let's welcome me, HCC.
Hey everyone. Hello everyone. I'm me. I'm from Wholecoin Capital. Now I'm a marketing manager of Wholecoin Capital, and my community is crypto community with 11,000 members. And now we are starting the quarterly. So nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for the introduction. Let's move on to the next part. So, in this part, we'd like our guests to point out the top 3 performing and underperforming cryptocurrencies of this week. Additionally, we also kindly request market insights on BTC, ETH, and other cryptocurrencies you want to talk about. So please be free to share the screen and let us watch your charts. Who wanna be the first?
I don't mind going first.
Yeah.
Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so we'll start off with Bitcoin, and then I'll do Ethereum, and then I've got a few other coins that I've been looking at that look very, very good for the next run-up. But basically, if we look at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, so you can see yesterday we had that retracement back down to this level at around about 35,600, and then within today, actually last night we had a retracement back up to the high. So all of those losses were actually recovered, and to me, Bitcoin does still look bullish, especially because today the price has still been holding above like 37,000, which is obviously a good indication. For me to take positions today, I just don't. I'd rather look at some other coins. But if Bitcoin breaks above like 37,600, 37,700, I will be looking at a potential long back up to like 38K and even like 40K. To be honest, it does look like Bitcoin can reach there. The bearish scenario for Bitcoin would have to be, obviously, if you look at this chart, like this level over here has been holding. So price would need to close below this level here in order for it to be bearish. So if you look at the chart, it has been making higher highs and higher lows. So the market structure is bullish. So overall, bullish on Bitcoin. Ethereum, same thing with Ethereum. I am still bullish on Ethereum. We had that breakout of this level over here. So you can see our price was trading within this range, and then we had that breakout and this retest of this previous level at 20,000, 2038. So I would expect Ethereum maybe to reach that 2,140 level within the next couple of days. Obviously, I don't think that there's going to be much volatility with Ethereum, but I am looking at a few other coins as well. So Uni actually just broke out. I've been looking at Uni today because this is my chart here. It's actually so bullish on the weekly time frame here. So I just want to show you something. So if you have a look at Uni on the weekly time frame, I was speaking about this chart in the Telegram group, but basically, if you look at this, price has been trading within this range for the last, multiple weeks, pretty much the whole bear market range, and we actually just broke above that within this week, right? So in 3 days' time, we're going to see if we do get a weekly closure above this level, but it does look like we will. And I do see Uni potentially going back up to like $12, which is this high over here, which was in March 2022. So to me, Uni looks very, very strong for like spot positions. And currently it did actually break. I think right now it actually is looking like it's breaking the range. So yeah, we'll see how this closes. And there's one other coin that I do want to quickly go over. It's OPE. So I was speaking about this chart as well in the Telegram group. But basically, OP is also breaking out of that bearish range. Not just yet, but it's about to. But basically, price was trading within this range since the beginning of Jan, and now it looks like if we break above this level over here, which was the March support and Jan resistance, so you can see our price was at resistance and flip support, and then we tapped into this time to this zone multiple times, and it looks like we are going to get another move above this level. So if OP closes above 1.857, I will be looking at a potential long back up to these highs at like 2.7 and 3.1. So overall, like there's a few altcoins, even XRP. XRP is also breaking out of the 4-hour range here. XRP looks really, really bullish. So overall, I'm quite bullish on the altcoin market. Bitcoin's kind of been holding back. So I would mainly just focus on the altcoin market. I just want to quickly, I think actually I'll touch on this chart a bit later. It's about finance because I know that we will get into that. But yeah, those are the current charts that I was looking at.
Okay, thank you so much. It's very learnable. Thank you, and Dylan.
Oh, I guess I'll go next if Dylan is done.
Sure.
Yeah. So yeah, what I'm looking at right now is actually WorldCoin. I think WorldCoin has the potential to really break out to the upside here. So I've been watching this level at $2.40 or so. Yesterday we did break above it. We closed at about $2.50. Right now we are just like simply retesting this level, even though it is down 3% right now. So I actually did enter a WorldCoin long position on this daily close. So right now I'm in a bit of drawdown, but that's okay. But yeah, I'm really bullish on this because this has the potential to really have a blue sky breakout. And essentially a blue sky breakout means when an asset or when a coin makes a new all-time high, there really are no more like resistances above it. So it really has potential to really move to the upside. So initially I would actually be targeting the opening day high, intraday high at $3.35 as my initial take profit. And then really if it can get above, if it can take out $3.35, can really just continue going higher. I don't really have any upper targets, maybe like $5, and then really I don't know, the potential is unlimited. So this is one coin that I am looking at. Hopefully this level can hold. But if it does close back below $2.40, then I'll probably get out, and this is going to look more of like a false breakout. So that's one coin I'm looking at. And then the other one is SCI. So SCI has had a nice breakout as well. I actually did enter yesterday, so I am up on this position. So this one is looking good. Yeah, as far as upper targets, I think we can target like the 25 cent region if this continues higher. So this one looks pretty good. It is relatively new. It's only launched in August, so we'll there isn't that much price history on it. So, but I think this has a lot of potential to go up along with WorldCoin. And then I'll just touch on Bitcoin briefly. I know Dylan already covered the like the lower time frames, but I want to look at the longer term time frames. So I'm actually looking at the 3-day close here, and this is like a really bullish candle. So this is gonna close later tonight, and we had like this like bottom wick that like basically tested the bottom range of this I think like 2 days ago, but now it completely like recovered Tuesday's losses after the whole Binance drama. So yeah, this candle is looking very bullish. So I'm in agreement with Dylan. I'm bullish on Bitcoin right now. On the I guess on the lower time frames, it's more or less ranging. So like for me, this is like a no trade zone. I mean, it's just ranging. It's at the top of its range right now. So might like retest the bottom of the range, or if it does break out, then I'll probably be targeting like I guess 39 and then ultimately 40K. And then just go over Ethereum as well, looking at the longer term time frames. Very similar to Bitcoin. Actually, the 3-day looks even more bullish than the 3-day on Bitcoin, because it is breaking above the previous 3-day candle, which closed at $2,053. So if it can close at this level on the 3-day time frame in about 10 hours and 29 minutes, then yeah, I really think we can target the previous high from this year at $2,141. And then ultimately, if it can get above that, we'll probably be looking at the mid 2000s. So yeah, that's what I got in terms of the coins that I'm looking at.
Boris, who wanna be the next sharing?
Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so I got Maker here. I'm quite agree with Dylan with the Ethereum and Bitcoin. It's quite similar with where's my Bitcoin? Yeah, I think, yeah, it's quite similar. So we got like standing triangle here, and most likely the flat is the highest probability. This flat from I don't know from back then. So this is the highest probability to break. Not this one. If this one break, so oh my god, we're gonna go like 35 or 30 or 30 or I think this area like the previous yeah, the previous higher high. So it's around 30. Yeah, not much on Bitcoin, and with Ethereum it's the same thing. Which one? I'm gonna use this Ethereum. So yeah, we just got back in. Let me zoom it up. So this is the trend since hold on, since June 2002, and it's been quite strong. And actually, we got rejected from last week, yeah, on Tuesday last week, and we got back. We just got back yesterday, and we're holding right now. We're holding, and I got this yellow line from my teacher Garrett Soloway, so it's quite good. So yeah, so this is my range right now for it. So it's between 2000 and 2002 and 3. So this is if this breaks, so we can go higher as like 25 to 8, like it's like last week that we've been talking about. And for the bullish coin, I got a lot. I'm agree with Dylan with Uniswap, and I took this trade like I don't know how long is it. From October, yeah, I got like 46%. So I think last week I mentioned this, like we got like a double Gartley Simon here. So we got a double big one in here and a small one in here. And if this break, I think if we break and hold, I think we can see like a continuation, So we still touch level, which is this one, the 6.7. We haven't touched this one yet. So I think Uniswap still got more until 6.7, and we'll see. And if we see we got, I think weekly, I saw something on weekly, I think. So this is my trend on. So hold on. Let me check on other screen. Give me a sec. I got here. So from here. So if we drag from, I think this one's hyper. So we got another harmonic pattern in here. So on weekly, so it's like the mother of this little mini god list, because like this is from the daily, and we got a butterfly in here. And usually they're gonna, at least they're gonna like try to do the no, try to retest the half or the C area, which is here, or the so yeah, we still kind of early for Uniswap actually, so the room still and we got, and in here we got the support around here, which is around 5. So let's say we got rejected from 6.7 in here, and it's like this. We got rejected, and then like we test this one. Okay, I'm gonna rebuy too, and I'm gonna rebuy and maybe like holding for spot or futures, and my target is gonna be like around 20, or it's quite big because I'm a swing, so that's why my target is quite big. So yeah, but it worked. It really worked. I just got hit say tool from call W. I think I got say. Yeah, I think this is my say. This is like 100% profit. Yep, 95. Sorry. So I think I posted on my group, my VIP group, around this November 20 November. So November 3rd. Sorry, it's on November 5. So it's not a month yet. So it only took, say, a 20 days, around less than 20 days to perform. So this is kind of similar with the Wildcoin, WLD, the one that Boris mentioned it. So it hit the resistance. So if can break this, so say it's the same thing, and it almost, if say can break this, and my target I think is gonna be like 4 cent or 5 cent. But the market have to be bullish. But the Bitcoin have to reach at least 38 or 40 to break this area. So before that, I think like there's gonna be a retracement. So if retracement, for say I'm gonna go in here like 1.7 cent in here. So this is a good zone for buy. And I got XRP too right now. I got XRP, and there is a fake out yesterday from XRP. 2 days ago, sorry. In here, this is a fake out. So if we zoom out, we got a trend line, a strong trend line from 12 March, I think, this year. So this is quite strong, and XRP is like this. It's always like fake out and then like give you weak, always give you like a headache entry, So but right now I'm waiting for the entry on the daily. I'm gonna waiting for this close, either like retesting or hold. If this hold, okay, I'm gonna enter XRP, and my first target will be around here, around this channel. So I'm gonna zoom out. We got 3 channel around here. Like this is my first layer of XRP, like which is like XN, and the other one is around $1.2. So if we can hit this, so it's quite good, and we break this trend line from 2020 June. Okay, I think we can go as high as 1.2, and we got 0.09, like another option to retest this week, because like this is all liquidity. I still remember like writing this and then like got dumb in the next day. So yeah, I still remember this. XRP can do that like for a day, 2 or 3 days. So don't be shocked. Yeah, this is my max target for XRP 1.2, and I got maker. Oh no. Where is my maker? It's not quite good. It's been performing, and yeah, maker I got like I got a butterfly on maker too. So I'm targeting the half of the butterfly, which is around 2656. So but this is kind of tricky. For maker to perform, I think like the ETH have to perform. Like I told you, like 2 weeks ago, like I got the ETH ecosystem. So maker is my pick for the store of value. So for maker to perform, it have to perform like yesterday, like going like 5%. But before that, I don't think this is gonna be performed, So maker is kind of tricky, but I got my eyes around 2000, 2006 or 2002. So this is my maker. This is swing trade, spot. So yeah, I think that's it. That's my powerhouse for altcoin. So yeah, thank you guys.
Thank you for your excellent sharing. Will MCC HCC share your screen? Are you, yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Okay, thanks for the all guests' excellent sharing. And now I'd like to dive into the next part. We could discuss, we could take a short break, and Catherine will bring us an introduction of CoinW cards.
Oh, thanks. Hi, I'm Catherine from CoinW Card. So let me introduce this amazing crypto card. You can spend your crypto anywhere in the world, 176 countries, 50 million merchants, no kidding. And the best part, the KYC process is on the house, no foreign transaction fees, no annual fees, and definitely no sneaky hidden charges. Plus, you'll be off ramping your crypto with ease. No frozen card risks to worry about. And guess what? We've got some awesome early bird gifts for you. You can snag your first CoinW card activation for free, which is a sweet deal considering it's usually priced in 50 USDT. But wait, there's more. If you top up 100 USDT or more for the first time, you'll get an extra 5 USDT, and there are rebates awaiting for you with every recharge. So don't miss out on those cool benefits. Get your CoinW card now and make your crypto life a breeze. Thank you.
Thank you, Catherine. Thanks for your introduction of the CoinW card. So let's begin talk about the next part, the market trends discussion. So we actually this week's market hotspots and important data is so well known, and let's talk about it. So first is the CZ Binance news. The DOJ requested an extortion fee of $4.3 billion from Binance and CZ, and CZ has paid 175 million bond to be released from custody, and CZ will step down as Binance CEO. We really would like to ask your guests about what impact will the CZ news have on BNB coin and entire crypto market.
Yeah, I guess I can go. So I'm actually quite,
Yes.
I think I'm bullish on BNB. I think the fact that, CZ and Binance, they were able to come to a deal with the DOJ and the US government to pay the fine. I think, all the I guess all the uncertainty is out of the way now, and obviously BNB has been the token itself has taken quite a hit this year, and it really hasn't performed as well as all the other altcoins. So I think with this out of the way, I think BNB has a lot of potential to maybe appreciate later this year and into next year, and yeah, I think like the other tokens that were alleged to be securities by the SEC back in June, all those tokens have the potential to go up as well, like such as Solana and ADA and Polygon and Atom and all those tokens that were tied to the Binance lawsuit. So yeah, overall, I have a like a bullish outlook on BNB. I think yeah, now that it's out of the way, they've settled the case more or less. I think BNB has potential to appreciate further. So yeah, that's my view on this issue. What do you guys think?
Uh, like I agree with Boris. Like obviously, they came to agreement really quickly. Like with, I do want to quickly show a chart though, for this because I have a bullish outlook, but I also have like a bearish outlook, and it's quite funny, to show this. Can I share my screen?
Okay.
Okay, no, it's fine. Don't worry. I'll share it later if we have time. But basically, I compared like the market structure from BNB token to like the FTX token, and the market structure looks so similar. So I've got a chart that's like next. They have BNB on the left and then FTX on the right. And to me, if BNB closes below 208, we're going to see that like an 82% drop. But I mean, the thing is, I'm still bullish on BNB. But if it closes below like 208 on a weekly time frame, then it could be another FTX drama.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm agree with you guys. I'm so bullish with BNB, and I remember that night when the news came out, and all my members like panicking. I said like, don't be
Yeah.
panic, guys. Don't be panic. This is just a drama. This is happen every cycle. Like if you guys remember, like when the BitMEX Arthur Hayes, are you guys there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I remember that. Yeah.
It's the same drama. It's the same drama. So don't be afraid. Actually, this drama good. It's mean like yeah, CC is only got two options. Either like follow the Arthur Hayes or like doing with the same thing like Ripple. Like you going like for years and then like pay amount of money, like hire a lawyer. So he got two options, but he picked the good one. Because like he picked this one and the problem solved because he had to play and he plead guilty, and yeah, the market is responding good actually, and we got bounced from the BNB, and I think BNB still a little bit short-term bearish because like on the daily I got like I detect my harmonic pattern is a bearish pattern like to the downside, so I think we can reach around 200 or just 216, and after that, but for a long time I'm so bullish on BNB because like all the problem is solved, because like BNB is bulletproof now, because like it's already paid, so SEG won't screw with BNB anymore. What you guys think?
Yeah, I mean, I agree with you. I think the reason why a lot of people will probably sell their BNB tokens because they don't like have knowledge in terms of like crypto, like the market. So like obviously the people that aren't like trading crypto like every day or like that involved in the crypto markets, just like general investors probably will get scared and start selling their BNB because I've seen a lot of like people on Twitter obviously like stressing and all of that. But like for me, it is still bullish. But obviously, like if we do see a closure below 200 on the weekly, it will get a bit scary.
Yeah, and also like BNB is pretty much the same price it was when the lawsuit was announced back in June. So I don't see a reason why, like if people were holding the BNB token throughout like this entire time for like the past several months, now they're suddenly going to sell their tokens now that the bad news is pretty much out of the way, unless there's like something else wrong with Binance. I personally don't think there is, because they already announced a successor to CZ, and the exchange is operational. It's not like an FTX thing. So I think they have plenty of holdings, or plenty of money on their balance sheet to like cover any kind of fines and like get through this whole drama. So yeah.
Yeah, we call it drama, and I believe I don't think Binance will collapse. I don't think Binance will
No ways, no
stay
ways.
strong,
Yeah.
and this will move on like BitMEX back then. So, and this is like part of the drama, like from the Larry things, I think, because like they wanna like you clear all the all the noise, like the Binance, Coinbase, and then like Bittrex, and then after that probably maybe the ETF can be approved. So they just want like all the problem solved. So the ETF can be approved, and then like all the stock investment from the BlackRock or Fidelity and others can be like oh, okay, crypto is a safe zone. Okay, because like right now like they got problem, like they don't think like crypto is safe because like SEC like putting a sue on this, on that, on this, on that. But so they have to fix all the problem, fix all the issues. Until now it's better. Like all the fat is gone, right? Like
Yeah.
nothing happened.
Yeah, literally
Yeah,
one day and it's gone.
what
Yeah.
is gone?
Yeah.
Plus, yeah, like everything like recovered yesterday. Like Tuesday, we had
Yeah.
like a pretty down day. Then like yesterday, everything like pretty much bounced back. Like Bitcoin completely retraced its bearish candle on Tuesday, as you guys know, as well as Ethereum and other altcoins. So I think the market has pretty much like shrugged this news off, and we're probably just going to continue, more or less to go higher in the weeks to come.
I agree.
Yes, yes. So let's move on to the next question. It's very clearly. So, Willie will posting on November 21st, and he said, we will never see Bitcoin going below 30K. Based on the chart, do you agree with this, Will? And what do you think of Bitcoin's target price? If, as he said, adoption is a key fundamental effectiveness to Bitcoin's price, does it mean Bitcoin will be up only in a very long term, like 5 to 10 years?
I guess I'll go. So, I mean, so Willie, yeah, he said that Bitcoin will never see below 30K again. I'll just say like in trading, like never say never. I don't think it's out of the like realm of possibility that we will see sub 30K again. Maybe not this year, but you never know what can happen. Maybe there's gonna be like some big global macro event that'll cause like all the markets to go down. So while I do think it's unlikely for Bitcoin to go down below 30K for now, I don't think it's not like a 0% chance. I think it is possible. But overall, I do agree with the overall upwards trajectory on Bitcoin. And yeah, that's my view on Willie Woo's analysis. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I mean,
I'm agree.
yeah, go for it.
You go first. It's okay, Dylan.
Yeah, I mean, I also agree with Boris with that. I mean, I do think that maybe we might see like one day where we just wick down, but like maybe not hit 30K, but like 32K, but then recover like instantly, just like liquidate some long positions. But it won't be, I don't see us like closing below 30K like on the daily or the weekly, like even like within this year. I do think that we're probably gonna hit like 40K like very soon. I mean, the market structure to me is just it's very bullish. I mean, especially like the last couple of days, and obviously the news with Binance and recovering the bearish close makes me even more bullish. So yeah, honestly, I don't think that we will see a closure below there, but obviously it's hard to say. Yeah. What's
Okay.
your thoughts, Jay?
My thought, yeah, I'm agree with you guys. But I don't agree with Willie Woo because like probability is still probability, and even like a small chance to go below 31 but it's still probability. Like you never know. Like maybe there is like a war or another war, or we
Yeah.
never know, guys. We never know. We
Yeah.
never know. We never know. So that's why, like, but I believe we still can retouch the 31 area. But so here is my roadmap. So my roadmap is, so it's quite delusional, because like I think ETF gonna be proof this year, and then like we go like 48, or maybe like above that, or or 50, and then like after that buy the rumor, sell the news, and then we got dumb. And if that happened, if we got the approved early, I think it's possible to go below 30 next year, because like that's gonna be bad. That's gonna be bad. And then like with the halving ahead on the next year, so that's still possible, guys. Like look at LTC after the halving, a week, no, 2 week after the halving, and then like the local top, and then bam, crash.
Yeah.
So it's still possible, guys. So I don't agree with people.
Yeah, that's a good look at it.
Thank you so much, sharing. HCC, how do you think about this question? Like for this chart, you can see the Bitcoin's price discovery across 13 years is like a contour map, the Bitcoin supply according to the price holders paid for their coins and how it charge over time. HCC, how do you think about it?
What's the question again?
Is the how do you think about the chart?
Oh, I think, yeah. So the chart itself, I mean, it's very bullish. I mean, on the long-term trajectory, it just continues to make higher highs and higher lows. So, I mean, it's very much in an uptrend over, I mean, pretty much in its entire history. So I don't think it's really broken below its previous cycle lows. So it always makes it makes a higher high, and then it consolidates, then makes a high, and then consolidates, then makes a high. So I mean, the trajectory itself is still very much upwards. I do think, because since the market capitalization has become much larger, it's going to take a much like a longer time to reach higher prices. So it took like maybe a few months to go from 1,000 to 2,000, and then another couple of months to double from 2,000 to 4,000. But as the market capitalization grows and the industry becomes more mature, it's going to be it's becoming harder to actually like move the price. So I think it's gonna, this time around is gonna be, it might take a longer time to like reach a new all-time high. But overall, I guess maybe I don't know how long it'll take to reach a new high. Maybe it'll be next year. I don't think so. I think it'll be longer, maybe in 3 years or so. But yeah, I think overall the trajectory is up. It's just gonna take a longer time to reach newer highs than like previous cycles. I guess that would be my hypothesis. Yeah.
Thank you, Boris. Let's move on to the next question. So blur airdrop is a big issue for the NFT field this week. Could you analyze the impact on Blur's price? And do you think this will have a chain reaction on NFT coins? For example, we saw the whale info online, and he is a believer in Ape. Do you think Ape will have a big move?
I'm gonna go first, since I love gaming and NFT section. I think there's gonna be an impact, because like Blur is number one right now. So Blur is the king right now. It's not the what is that called? The old one? Uh OpenSea? Yeah. So OpenSea is not the
Yeah.
number one, or even the Solana one, the Magic Eden. Nah. So Blur is number one for NFT now. Yeah, I think it's gonna impact NFT, and but just the coin, not the NFT price. So this is different. Just the coin price, but the NFT, I don't think so. So yeah, I think NFT can be. There is some narration on NFT right now, I think. Okay.
Yeah, I agree with Jay. I mean, I used to be in the NFT field like in 2021 when obviously we had that a massive NFT bubble. But recently, I haven't really been trading like NFTs or anything like that, so I don't have much knowledge on this coin.
Yeah, the only thing I'll say is that I just saw the price of Blur. I think it was up 45% yesterday or today, so it's up quite a lot. But I think like with airdrops, like usually after a coin gets an airdrop, like people just sell the coin that is getting the airdrop, like just going over from previous instances whenever there's airdrops and different tokens. So I think once the airdrop I don't know when is the airdrop actually happening, or did it already happen?
Last week.
Already
Last week.
happened. Yeah,
Already,
last
it's
already
already
happened.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So never mind what I said. I guess if it already happened and it's still going up, then
Yeah,
I guess it
that's
might
kind of
continue.
weird, right? Because like
Yeah,
usually like you got the
okay.
Yeah.
airdrop and then people are selling, right?
Yeah. Okay. So I guess in that case, disregard what I just said because I didn't know it was just that it was already airdropped. So yeah. So the fact that it's still going up post airdrop, I guess I'll just continue with the trend and say it's probably going to continue going up. I mean, it's very bullish. It's one of the most bullish coins that I've seen this week. So yeah, it's probably just going to continue going up until the trend breaks. So yeah, that's my view.
Yeah.
Mm.
Thanks, Boris. HCC, we know you are very familiar and professionalized on NFT. Would you like to share anything of this question? Is okay, never mind. Cool. So I think next question will be so much interesting. So this is Whale's on-chain info about WLD. Do you think it is an effective trending strategy by tracking Whale's on-chain addresses?
Yeah, I think definitely looking at on-chain metrics, like which whales are moving which coins to different exchanges. That's a really good I guess fundamental metric to keep an eye on. So yeah, obviously when people move their coins onto an exchange, that probably means they're going to sell, and then if they're moving their coins off the exchange, that means they're holding it for the long term or they're moving it to their cold storage or their just their personal wallets. So yeah, I do think it's an effective trading strategy to track, especially like the larger whales on chain addresses. Just looking at this example, this guy, he deposited like 1.1 million world coins, or so that's about 2.66 million onto Binance. I don't think it's like that big of a deal because I think WorldCoin's market cap is like, I mean, it is sort of a big deal. WorldCoin's market cap is 280 million at this point. So like 2 million of that is, probably, it's like less than about 1% or less. So it is significant. However, yeah, the drop already happened, and right now WorldCoin, as I talked about earlier, it is back above the $2.40 level. So maybe that guy already sold his tokens at near the previous highs, and maybe now, since the whale already sold his WorldCoins, price can continue going up.
Yeah. I mean, I agree with Boris with what he said about that. I mean, he pretty much covered like what I was going to say as well, with obviously tracking on-chain addresses. I mean, I follow this account on Twitter. It's called Whale Alert, and it shows you when there's inflow into different exchanges, and it's very good just to see like if there's a potential dump happening or potential pump. So it's a very good metric to follow. Obviously, with WorldCoin, a lot of people are looking at it now, and I think it is a good strategy.
I'm agree with you because but since I'm Asian, so I'm following the following from Upbit, and I think I saw 2 or 3 days ago from Upbit following because like when the talk when the Asian session opened, so that's the time when the the whales from Korea or China is pump and dumping. So I always tracking like the volume, and I saw like WLD, like there is like unusual volume on WLD. So wow, that because like whale is pumping it, and but it's not gonna like last forever, because like the best entry, like you buying from the capitulation, not from when the whales like showing it. Or because like but for me, when whales like showing it, uh, and we track it, so I have to be like careful, like maybe like they're gonna sell it like soon, or but it depends if whales withdraw it. So I think like they're gonna keep it. So it's different. What you guys think?
Yeah, I mean,
Yes,
if people, I mean, if traders or investors withdraw it, that would be that would definitely be more of a bullish sign. So I haven't really looked at whales, I mean, world coins on chain metrics recently, so I'm not sure what traders are doing, but I would assume people are there's more they're withdrawing, or yeah, they're withdrawing WorldCoin more than they're depositing it onto exchanges, since the price has been going up the past few days, and it's very close to breaking above that $2.50 level, which would send it to the previous high at around $3.40.
yes. Thank you so much. And let's move on to the next topic. Um, which will be the biggest narrative for the crypto cycle? So we have AI, RWA, BTC network ecosystem, and derivatives. So about the among the five, the four things, which part you will think it will be the next biggest narratives for the crypto cycle?
I mean, I obviously like AI. I think it's gonna be massive. So there's obviously a few coins like GRT is one of my favorite coins to look at for AI, and I do think that within the next 2 to 5 years, AI will be one of the most leading coins in terms of like market cap. They'll start ranking up. Um, yeah, there's a couple coins for AI that I don't really know too much about the real world assets. But I'm mainly just focused on most of the AI coins at the moment, like ICP, GRT. There's a couple that I've been looking at. I do think that they will take over because that's pretty much where technology is going.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, I would agree with Dylan, especially given that we saw like an AI boom in the stock market earlier this year. I think we might see like a very similar thing in crypto with the all the AI tokens. And I guess WorldCoin could be considered sort of like a AI token, since it's created by the developer of ChatGPT, Sam Altman. So yeah, and then I think real world assets might be big, even though I don't know too much about it either. I know it's been a pretty hot topic. I've just seen people talking about it in the industry. So I think those two will be like the biggest narratives. I don't think I don't know, derivatives, it's kind of like a very niche kind of like a very niche field or topic. I don't think too many people would be interested in that other than us traders. So I think like AI and RWA would capture like more of like the retail traders' attention.
Yes.
Uh,
How do you
Yes,
go?
yeah,
I yes, I think AI will be the biggest narrative for the crypto circle, because AI have appeared for a long time, and it always expected to work technological tools to support people in many fields. Because of the complexity, these industries have not really exploded. However, in early December 2022, OpenAI's AI Research and Development Organization successfully released ChatGPT, an AI chatbot system that provide automated chat service with customer. And this event is like a milestone marking a new developments. Immediately, a number of AI crypto projects receive attention and attracted inflows money. Mm, yes, is my opinions.
Thank you so much, Catherine. Actually, I want to ask more about BTC network system because recently it is so hot. And like BRC20 and also POS Polygon, a lot of the protocols and applications on BTC network and also other like layer 2 network. How do you think about this?
I think I'm gonna go. But before that, can I spill my my narrative?
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry, I cut your question, but I'm gonna spill my narrative because like this narrative is so very important. But actually, I'm not. It's my narrative, but I'm going for Cosmos ecosystem. If you guys see, like Google it, like what is inside Cosmos ecosystem, they got Rune, they got Injective, they got Tia, they got Kava, they got Fat, they got Kujira, they got like AKT, they got BLC. All those token like pumping like crazy this year. So don't sleep on Cosmos ecosystem. Like that's all actually that's my secret weapon for the next bull run. All the Cosmos like I'm gonna like buy like the top Cosmos. So we got XLR here and we got like, if you guys know, like Fetch AI is also like Cosmos ecosystem. So that's it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at Ordi right now, looking at the chart of it. Obviously, it's kind of new, so there's not much data on it yet. So it only has like what, like a few, yeah, like a couple of weeks of data. It was launched on November 7th, unless I'm looking at an old chart. But yeah, I mean, it's in an upwards trend. So I guess it'll continue to, look bullish. I do find it interesting that unlike other like token launches, like even like when WorldCoin came out, it pretty much sold off in the days and weeks to come, along with like what, like SUI and SEI, all of those after they launched, they pretty much sold off and had a pretty pronounced downtrend. However, this one, Ordi itself, it's maintaining its bullish structure. It's well above its listing price. So I think, I mean, I don't know if it's a good time to buy right now. I guess I would wait for a pullback. But it's just hard to say because there's not much price history on it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, go for it.
yeah. Go ahead, man.
Yeah, so I'm also looking at the chart now. Like, I would be looking at a retracement to like 20 points, like 20 points, like 4 or like 21, because that's where like the 618 retracement is. So I am expecting a pullback. It does look like it is pulling back at the moment. I wouldn't, I mean, personally, I wouldn't like buy at this price. I would probably wait for like the early 20s to like 21 to like 20. I think that would be a good area to look at for potential long hold for Audi.
Yeah, Audi chart is kind of similar with the, if you guys see here on Maxi, it's kind of similar with say and WLD. So yeah, I think
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah, they make like a small U. So this happen usually they're gonna make like cup and handle, So if Dylan like got like on 618 on the daily, so I see here around like $12, $12.5. So if this bounce from here and then retest the 26, so this is gonna be like cup and handle. What do you guys think?
Yeah, actually, now that you
That's
mention it, Jay, it does look very similar to WLD and the other one. And I guess it is like it's breaking above its opening day high right now, or it's trying to. So yeah, I know it's tough. It depends really if it can, I guess if it can take out the $25 or $26 level, then it's probably going to go to new all-time highs. But I'd probably, I think it would be best to wait for a retracement. Because yeah, I don't know. It's kind of like risky to buy breakouts or attempting to long a breakout.
Yeah, I'm preferring like breakout and retest, not like not like right now. Now, no buy zone right now, I think.
Yeah. I would buy it.
Mhm.
And compared to like Polygon or Solana, the most important about BRC20, the miner and the investors can make money. So it's expensive. So it has the most potential, and obviously Audi is the most representative token among them. Yeah, like SAT or RATs.
Yes. BRC20 and also already the something like that is really hot spots recently, and we actually pick up one question that most of the audience are interested in about it. They asked like such as already which are retracement now, and it is a good time to buy, and they are really interested in it. But I think our guest just answered this question, so thank you for the asking. Yeah. And okay, anyone want to share more? If we, yeah, Dylan, talk about it.
I do want to speak about the BNB chart, and just quickly, do you mind if I share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
I just want to show this chart. I don't know, like it's not relevant, but I just want to show like the scenario if we do get a closure. Do you mind unsharing?
Yeah, sure, you can.
Thank you.
I'll stop it.
There we go. Here we go. Yeah, so here we go. So on the left is the BNB chart. So on the right is the FTX token. So you can see, like, if you look at the market structure, it's very, very similar. Obviously creating these lower highs on the chart, and you can see once price broke below, like on FTX here, once price closed below this level here at like 22, we had that massive, massive sell-off back down. I mean, I think like 100% went to zero at one point. But BNB, I mean, obviously I am bullish on BNB, but like if something goes wrong, and we do get a closure below like 208 or like 200 on the weekly time frame, I do potentially see an 82% drop because of how the market structure looks to FTX. So, I mean, it looks very, very similar. I think it's just something to note. Yeah. So that's my thoughts. Do you guys have thoughts on that chart? Or
Yeah,
it's a bit
That's kind of
ambitious.
scary. Oh my God.
That's
Yeah.
very serious.
maybe
so-
maybe withdraw your funds from Binance. Maybe they're
Yeah.
not south of.
Come straight to CoinW.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of
Uh,
scary. But it's possible, it's possible. I think it's possible. Even like
Yeah.
last year when the FTX happened, like my target for buying BNB is around $50. So it's still possible to play out, because like we still got like we still got another rules, I think next week, isn't it? For ZZ, the rules, I think next week to for ZZ to go to court. Is it next week?
I think it's next week. Yeah.
So I think we expect there is like another shake up on BNB. So yeah, I think it's
It'll be
possible.
interesting. I don't know.
Yeah.
I just saw this chart, and I remember like the FTX, and it just looks so similar.
Yeah. I mean, I don't like the fact that it's forming like lower highs.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like in a downtrend on the weekly. So I don't like that. But well, it's like FTX obviously was like a more of a fundamental thing that happened. Like,
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
like SBF was, well, you guys know. So unless Binance is doing the same thing, I don't see it like dropping
Yeah.
82%.
Different drama,
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to get everyone off Binance. That's why.
Yeah, but this is interesting. Thank you, Dylan. Like this is
Yeah,
interesting.
sure. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I have there.
Thanks for Dylan's sharing. It's very interesting. Anyone want to share? Does anyone want to share something? Okay, so overall, I would like to thank you everyone for joining this inspiring discussion today. And please take care and see you next time. Goodbye. Bye
Cheers,
bye.
guys.